Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use QuickBooks for painting business. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to sign up for an account on QuickBooks, and then you just have to log in. Okay, and then after that, just have to go to the settings, go to the accounts and settings, and then here for the industry type, you just have to select maybe like other service based business, or it depends on what kind of business do you offer. Okay, you can also enable features like projects, time tracking, and inventory. After that, you just have to click on save. And then next is we have to create a list of painting services. So just go to the sales section, okay, and then click on the products and services. That's right. Now click on the new option at the top right. And then here you can add services like interior wall painting, exterior wall painting, fence, deck painting, paint touch-up, pressure washing. Okay, you can also set your rates, so per hour, square meter, or per job. So it depends on you. And then after adding all of your information right here, just have to simply click on save and close. That's right. Next one is to add the customers. So here, just go to the customer section. Okay, so the option is just beside the products and services. And since we already added our customers, let's go now and create a projects for each job. So just go to the project section, go to the new project. So for example, interior repaint, Gomez residence, or commercial building exterior. And then you can add a label like maybe a location or the last name of your customers. Okay, that's right. So for the next step, you can also record materials and expenses. Okay, so let me just finish this section right here. So we have the start date and the end date for this project. Okay, so you can also label this one, the project status. After that, you just have to click on save. That's right. So we have successfully created our project. Now is to record the materials and the expenses. So to do that, just click on the new option, click on the expense. So you can track purchases like paint, rulers, brushes, tape, plastic sheeting, fuel, equipment rentals, and etc. Okay, so you just have to assign each expense to the correct project to track the profitability. Okay, so you just have to select the product or the service and then input the amount right here. Okay, so you just have to save and close this section. Okay, so in this section, you can also create the invoices. So you can send it directly to your customers. Next is we are going to track the time. So you just have to enable the time tracking. Just go to the settings, account settings, go to the advanced, and then enable the time tracking. Okay, so after enabling that section, what we're going to do now is to use the new option at the top left and go to the single time activity. So here you just have to log hours for yourself or for your team and assign it to each project or job. Okay, so after that, you just have to save this section. So let me just input here all of the details. Next is to receive your payments. So you just have to go to the new option once again at the top left of your screen, and then just click on the receive payment option. Okay, so you just have to link it to your correct invoice. You can also use the QuickBooks payments to let your clients pay online. So it depends on you of what kind of payment method you're going to use. So you just have to input right here the amount received. Okay, so after that, just have to click on save. Now for the last step is to view your key reports. So you can run reports to understand job performance. Just go to the report section. So here we have the profit and loss by project and build time, job costing summary, and expenses by vendor. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.